Hi crafty friends, I'm Trisha Morris at Club Scrap and we've got another fun workshop offering for you. This one is the Drop Spine Box and Mini Book Project. We've offered something almost like this before and it was our biggest hit. It sold out so quickly, we've got everything back in stock and we've made it even better. Let's take a look at what we're gonna make. So this is a pretty substantial project. The Drop Spine box has a really beautiful heft to it. It's about a 5x7 in size, and that lid comes out and you can see right away the spine drops down. And then inside the sturdy box, you're going to find this darling little mini album. And this can be used with pictures or journaling notes, maybe contain the images and experiences from one particular trip or event. So this is just kind of a neat, lighthearted, cheerful album. What I love about these inside pages of the book is that they lay nice and flat for comfortable viewing. And then of course we've got our little clasps, ribbon clasp on the end if you would like to tie those. It fits perfectly in the keepsake box and really makes a beautiful addition to any coffee table or shelf. Now in the box you're going to receive all the basics required to make the whole project. I think to me, and this is the most hours of my time, is the beautiful downloadable printable version of the instructions. It's actually a 7-page document, okay? So you can download and print this at home or just watch it from your screen. It's very, very well organized and uses our accordion pocket filing system. So we will trim all the papers together first, and then we will assemble the drop spine box itself. We'll take all the remaining papers and create that album, and I will walk you through this step by step. Now, the rest of the kit contains all of the 1/8-inch thick book boards to make the cover for your box as well as the box itself. So that's what all these pre-cut pieces have been measured carefully and trimmed just for you. You're gonna love that part of it. And then we also have the larger 12x12 mat board that's required. This is going to be the substrate for the album that you'll make. In addition, you'll have a foam brush, but you will need to pick up some bookbinding glue. A lot of you already have that, so we don't include it in our kits, but you will need to grab a 2-ounce bottle of our famous bookbinding glue. You will love it for more than just this project. And then the Let It Be kit is what we're focusing on again. Again, this was such a huge hit when we initially released this project, and we're taking the remix of the collection and we're using all of the papers to create this project. Of course, with your kit, you'll get the usual ribbons, cut apart, lots and lots of paper, and all the little embellishments that you can use to enhance your project. So grab your Drop Spine Box and Mini Album kit today, and then mark your calendar for Tuesday, December 14 at 6 p.m. Central Time. And I will actually be pre-recording this workshop because it's pretty involved. I want to make sure I have every step perfect, and the Club Scrap team will be here to moderate and discuss the project as we enjoy watching it unfold together, and then you can complete it at your very own pace. I look forward to creating this fun project with you, and I'll see you on December 12th.